Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. As for today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to enable Copilot in Windows 11. On new Windows 11 PCs, the Copilot app should already be installed by default guys. You can find the Copilot app pinned to the taskbar on the Start menu. If the Copilot app is not already installed on your device, you need to get it from the Microsoft Store as I have shown you in the previous video. So you simply have to go to Microsoft Store and search for it through here. Normally it should be installed already on your PC. If needed, you can remove Copilot app from Windows using the following steps and then re-download it again. Now, how do we enable it? Well, once you download it already, as I will show you right now, Copilot, it is enabled by default. And as you can see here, this is Copilot and it is already on. So what you need to do is to go to settings and set it up and make sure that your Windows, basically the Copilot version is the latest. And if there is anything that you need to actually use or edit, make sure to edit them. Other than that, for Windows users who understand that they need to install this, you will need to buy yourself a premium version. Otherwise, you will not really get the access to full Copilot potential, or let's make it more clear, you won't get any access to Copilot in general. So for that reason, you would need to go into this click button and basically simply just choose one of these bundles. You have personal, family, and premium. Just pick one. Either one of them has the Copilot feature in it, so you don't really need to think about it. Once you're done, you will have Copilot ready to be used, and here are some showcases with that you can actually use it with. First of all, you can literally enable the wake word, which is like hi Siri in iPhone. You can literally say hi Copilot and Copilot will be answering you back. You can also use Copilot shortcut, which is Windows key plus C, and with those two you can get Copilot on your PC already, and you can from there use it for your own daily tasks. And yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching and see you guys next upcoming video.